My name's Ryan Kedzie. I'm the marketing director for Alaskan Gear Company. Today we're at our Palmer manufacturing facility, and I'm going to take you guys around and show you where things like the famous Bushwheels are made.
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Become an AOPA pilot today.
Here's where we actually are making our tie shocks. This is a pretty game-changing product for us. It's a new suspension system for P-18s. People were looking for a new product to get on the market, something different than bungees and some of the other shock options out there. So this is what we kind of define as the new standard for Super Cub shocks. And so this has been a really popular product for us. In this section, we do the strut manufacturing, and then also pistol flaps. That's another big product for us. So the fowler flaps, we build a lot of those, and people love the fowler flaps. In this area, this is our fabrication shop. So we do anything from titanium landing gear here to our fuselages. As you can see, he's welding a fuselage or working on a fuselage right here. These are all of our jigs behind us. So this is how we make the fuselages. Those aren't fuselages themselves, obviously, but we make a lot of fuselages in this location. So in this area, you're gonna see the raw rubber, which is right here behind you. We get the raw rubber and then we use these cutting machines and we build all the bush wheels by hand. So every bush wheel that leaves the shop is built by hand. After we finish with the cutting of the different pieces that will eventually build the tire, the pieces come into our subassembly section. So they're building the bead rings, the sidewalls, the different parts of the tire that will eventually make the Alaskan Bushwheel. So these are subassembly areas. And then we move into an area where they're actually doing the tire building. We start building the tires off of airbags, and we get the different subassemblies, and we start putting the different layers together and start putting layers of rubber over and over and over on the tire to build the actual Bushwheel. So over there is our tire stands. We have tire builders who are building these by hand every single day, and then we send those into the cooker eventually. This is where we cook all of our Bushwheels. So we cook our tires in these tire cookers or ovens, and we have sizes for each tire size. So for example, a 35-inch Bushwheel all the way down to a baby Bushwheel in the back. So we do all of the tires right here and cook them in-house. So the last step of the process is the inspection. So we do quality control here. You can see behind me, Travis is doing some quality control right now on the tires, but each tire is hand inspected, trimmed, and then get ready, serialized and ready for packaging and shipping out. If you're looking for more information on Bushwheels, we have a really robust website now that gives you tons of information and technical information regarding these tires. You can check them out at alaskangearcompany.com. Otherwise, on our social channels, we also have a lot of information. And then I'd encourage you to check out a new area we have called the logbook. That talks about anything from bushwheel maintenance to buying new bushwheels. Check out the logbook on the website at alaskangearcompany.com.